Just unscrew the top and add 2 teaspoons of my favorite coffee. Add it to a cup of hot water, stir, wait a minute, and stir again. Plunge a few times, and that's it. No coffee filters and no mess.
This is my teeny tiny kitchen, and this is my huge pod coffee maker, which I am going to be very happy to get rid of because I now have FinalPress and it's so easy to use. What I've done so far is I have added hot water to my cup. I have put in the FinalPress. I stirred it 15 times. I let it sit for a minute. I stirred it another 30 times. I let it sit for a minute. And now I'm just going to put the plunger down just a few times. And look at that. I have a wonderful cup of coffee. I think it's better than my pot.
Really a very nice quality little device. Very smooth plunger mechanism, and everything about it is just feels like it's like more refined. I wouldn't call it robust, I would call it more refined, but really good quality. Everything works smoothly, and I like that you know, all of the brewing time is going to be with a basket that is all metal versus brewing in, you know, I think some of the competitors out there, different types of technologies, are using plastic. And I don't like brewing in plastics personally. So this brews in this metal basket, and then you have the little French press action. So you take it out. So a little mobile French press. Really, really nicely done. Love this little unit.